All right, we're sailing out of the port in New York, Brooklyn. Bye-bye, New York. Hello, party. Getting this party started, getting ready for the sail away party. Everyone's happy and excited. Comes the wave. Everyone's getting the wave going, getting excited to go under the bridge in a few minutes. Last looks of New York City in our rear view mirror as we sail towards the bridge that we're going to just ever so slightly make it under. There it is. There's the bridge. We're going to sail under that. Just take a look at how close we're going to get to that. We just get under it ever so slightly. Keep an eye on it. Here it comes. Here we go. Are we going to make it? Let's see. Yeah, we made it! What a rush that was getting under that bridge. Big ship like this. Now everyone's excited. We're out of New York. We're sailing towards the Bahamas. Let's go. Alright guys, keep an eye out for the rest of my videos coming up.